friends, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. Like all my other videos, I will talk about female health, hygiene and wellness. Today's topic is very interesting and you must listen it till the end to get very useful information that would really help you. This video is for all my friends who are trying to conceive or trying to be parent. So stay tuned. This video is going to help you. Want to be pregnant? Then there is a quick way and there is a right way. I will discuss the right way to be pregnant. First and foremost, prepare your body. See friends, it's very simple. Anything you do in your life, it requires a preparation. And this is a very big step. You're going to be a parent. You are going to produce a new being. You're going to bring a new soul to this life, so it needs a little preparation. So prepare your body. If you are obese, if you are overweight, and if you are not if you feel that your body is not able to exercise too much, then friends, I would recommend, if you are planning to have a child, the first and foremost thing that you must do is start doing little bit of yoga, little bit of exercise, and with each passing days increase it little bit and little bit, and then the point where you feel that okay, I am fit, I am fine, my body is ready, my body is totally fit to conceive, plan it out. Second very important thing is you must sit with your partner and discuss. You both should be mentally prepared. Friends, this is a big decision and there is no U-turn when you decide or you conceive. You cannot do a U-turn and say that no, I am still confused. No. So before taking this big step, sit with your partner, discuss all the possible aspects that will be there when you become a parent. So you need to discuss, you need to understand the emotional, the financial and other angles. Discuss it well, and when you are mentally ready, both of you are mentally ready, I would stress on the fact that being a father is a very big deal. So when the boy is ready to be the father, it is then you need to take this big step. So please sit and discuss. Have baby talk. Nothing is wrong in it. Discuss and try to understand how important it is for both of you, and it is then you take the step. One very important thing that nobody will tell you, I thought I should tell all my friends who are trying to conceive or who have decided to do that very soon, they are going to be mother. A very important thing is, friends, you need to be patient. Conceiving is a very big deal. Not that anyone can do it easily. It takes time. You have to try. You have to be patient and you will get the desired result. So I would suggest, please do yoga, meditation and develop that patience, endurance level in you, because it is very important. Like I was discussing with one of my friends, she is trying to conceive, but the biggest challenge that she is facing, it has been over 3-4 months, but she is not able to do that and she is losing hope. I said this is a small advice to her and other female like her, that you need to develop that patience and endurance in you. This is a big deal, and patience will really help you out. Fourth important tip, you need not wait for your periods to be missed and get the confirmation and then get confirmed that you're pregnant. If you are planning and it has been around 10 days, then I would suggest that you always have that test kit ready at your home and you can always test, not wait for the periods to be missed. Important tip, in case you have missed your periods and you are having bloating, you are feeling nauseous, you are having indigestion, then friends, I would advise that you do the test, and supposedly your test would be positive. So these are the few advices from my side to my dear friends who are planning to get pregnant. These are 5 easy to do steps which will help you get pregnant. In case you found my video really informative and is going to help you in some way, do not forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.